Welcome back, everybody. Sive Morten is here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's take a look again on the gold market, and let's go straightforward to the technical analysis of the current picture that we have. So in general, you could see that it seems that we were right about the possible upward continuation, that market has to complete the 37.35 target. But for now, it looks so that market intends to keep going higher. And the tricky moment stands around it, that actually market now is the rebut on the weekly chart. This is first moment. And second moment, the next big target that we have is above 4,000 levels, 41.20. Those of you who read our reports regularly, you know that on the yearly chart, the all-time 1618 extension of the gold market stands on 41.20. But that is rather solid distance, not maybe too big compared to in relation to current performance of the gold, because actually it covers really big distances really fast. But still, it's more or less significant. So it's approximately $100 above the current market, and market definitely has to have some the driving factor, some stimulus to keep going higher, especially when it stands in a strong overbought area. What I would like to say is that maybe currently at this point it makes no sense to be hurry up the decision making. So previous trade was just great, so we've got the result. Here is market just start flirting around the target. We need to give it some time to show reaction or to get some clarity if it indeed keeps going higher and intends to continue to the bigger target. So we will see. But for now, right in today's session, I would make any significant decisions. So butterfly stands in place, and market still could show the reaction on this pattern. The same we could say about the free drive that we have traded. So take a look that it has completed perfectly. Market is down as 37.50. It was actually our target here. And here the market is forming like something like double repo sell pattern. It is not not formed yet, but if it will be confirmed, market start moving down, it could drop as deep as back to the previous top. So around 37.10 area. That might be the retracement. So from that standpoint of view, in the current point and this moment, I wouldn't consider taking new longs by far, and watch for one, maybe two sessions to make the decision whether it really makes sense to do. On another chart, that's just better shows the thrusting action. We probably could focus on the performance that we have right on top, watching for possible short-term minor bearish patterns. It's not for possible trading, so we do not call you to trade the bearish patterns here, but they just could clarify us and tells us that market intends to show some pullback, intends to take a breath. So that's actually would be enough to us to understand that maybe it makes sense to wait for some support areas. Although in general, if we take a look at the combined analysis of the dollar index, euro currency that we discussed today, and gold market, so everything stands rather harmonic. So everywhere we see the signs of the dollar weakness, and from that standpoint of view, gold performance is quite reasonable and understandable. But still, buying just at some target and in the weekly level, but I think that it's not very good idea. Maybe we will get in the nearest few sessions much better combination to consider long entry. So that's probably all for now. Let's keep watching and see what will happen.